This exercise is called 6-month supine position. It's going to be a progression from our 3-month supine with some modified alternatives thrown into the mix here. So for starters, we want to find a flat surface that we can lay on top of. Similar to the 3-month modified position, we're going to start by keeping our neck nice and retracted here. We're going to bring our feet up to just past 90 degrees, keeping these knees relatively at 90 degrees, focusing on those deep diaphragmatic breaths here. But the progression with the 6-month is going to be working on drawing my feet up to the point that I can grab onto them here and hold this position here, focusing on letting my shoulder blades drop back down to the ground to engage a little bit deeper of a stretch through the hip capsules as well as the lower back. And then cue up that diaphragmatic or abdominal breath here. So nice and deep through the belly. Breathing through some cycles here. Now, if I want to engage deep neck flexor activation, so the muscles in the deep part of my neck, I can also, while in this retracted position, hold my head just about an inch off the ground and engage those neck stabilizers, just making the most out of this movement. Now, from this position, if we have trouble getting all the way up to our feet, what we can do to start out is going to be reaching up as far as we can get. So if it's just our ankles and doing the movements from here, understanding that as we do this exercise more and get stronger abdominal stabilization as well as hip mobility, we should be able to work a little bit higher up to the feet here. Again, that is the 6-month supine position.